Cupra. She can transform. This is Wolfram. He can light up. This is Hydrogenio. He can fly. This is Argentum. She can become a mirror. This is Ferro. He's very strong.
Hey, what's that?
And where did it come from?
It's like a sculpture in a museum. It's a spaceship!
No, it's a secret agent who is going to spy on us. I'll show him.
Stop! You'll break the sculpture.
Hi, kids.
Hey, Professor MJ!
Kids, I need your help with a science experiment. A few days ago, I put a hard-boiled egg in some vinegar. Could you keep an eye on the egg?
Sure we could.
Sure.
Thanks, kids. You're very kind. While you do that, I'm going to have a bit of a nap.
How about we take turns watching the spaceship?
Dips, I go first. I don't trust that spy. I'm going to watch him like a hawk.
Just don't damage the sculpture.
I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared.
Pharaoh, wake up!
Oh, I wasn't asleep. I was just, resting my eyes for a second.
Look!
Wow, it's shining.
Wow, the shell's gone.
I was just about to call you all over.
We should tell Professor MJ right away. Professor MJ!
Professor MJ, the shell's gone.
I noticed first.
He can't hear us.
He's asleep.
But we can't wake him up. That means he can't hear us.
What if he can't hear us at all anymore, like before?
You think he's...
He's lost his gift?
That can't be. We all know the story. Long, long ago.
This is no time for stories. We need to check out what's happened right away.
Long, long ago, the great chemist Dmitri Mendeleev found he had a gift. In his sleep, he heard voices. They were the voices of the chemical elements. Mendeleev took a closer look and saw little creatures, all with different forms and different abilities. When the scientist woke up, he found his dream had come true. Now he could see the elements, for real. Mendeleev made friends with them, and so was able to create his famous table of the elements, Mendeleev's periodic table.
Professor MJ!
Professor MJ?
The shell is gone!
The shell's gone!
Can you hear
Are
us?
you okay?
He can't hear us.
The worst has happened. He's lost his gift.
That can't be. He's the great-grandson of Mendeleev himself. And the gift is passed down from generation to all his descendants. Professor! Professor! Oh no, what's going on? Quick, help me! Look! It's just an earplug.
Whew, so the professor's okay?
Professor MJ! Professor MJ!
Good morning, kids. How are you doing?
The shell's gone.
The egg! It's...
It's shining!
Great! That means the experiment's been a success. Let's see what we've got.
Did we sleep through all the action?
No, you're right on time. The vinegar the egg was submerged in is an acid. The egg's shell is made of a substance called calcium. The acid made the calcium dissolve and the shell disappeared.
What an amazing sculpture! It really does look like it's come from outer space.
So it's not the spy then?
The properties of the egg itself have also changed. Now it's like rubber.
Can we play with it?
Sure.